You sit in a sterile clinic room, staring at a black and white scan projected onto a wall monitor. A physician traces a thumb across a hazy shadow, explaining that you will need to wait 2 weeks for a biopsy result to confirm whether those few cubic millimeters of tissue are dangerous. You naturally assume that diagnosing cancer is a physical challenge, a matter of cutting deeper, building stronger microscopes, or developing higher-resolution imaging machines. What if the real answer might surprise you? The future of cancer diagnosis is not about seeing deeper into the tissue with physical glass or radiation. It is about a silent digital intelligence reading thousands of invisible biological signals simultaneously, predicting, detecting, and mapping malignancy years before a tumor ever forms a visible shadow on a screen. For over a century, oncology operated as a reactive, visual discipline. In 1858, German physician Rudolf Virchow published Cellular Pathology, a landmark work establishing that cancer is fundamentally a disease of broken cells. Virchow proved that tumors do not erupt from mystical humors, but arise from our own altered tissues. For the next 150 years, pathologists looked through optical lenses, searching for abnormally shaped nuclei, chaotic cell arrangements, and signs of rapid division. But human eyes, no matter how trained, are bound by physical limitations. A pathologist looking down a microscope can only process a fraction of a slide at a time. They cannot calculate the subtle spatial relationships between 10,000 immune cells, nor can they detect the subvisual structural shifts occurring inside a single cell's chromatin. How do you detect a killer that hides in plain sight? Everything changed when medical diagnostic imaging shifted from glass slides and film to massive digital datasets. In 2020, researchers at Google Health published a groundbreaking study in Nature demonstrating that an artificial intelligence model could evaluate mammograms with greater accuracy than human radiologists, reducing both false positives and false negatives. A few years later, in 2024, Harvard Medical School researchers unveiled Chief, a computational pathology foundation model trained on tens of millions of tissue images. Chief demonstrated that artificial intelligence does not just match human performance. It uncovers entirely new visual biomarkers. It can look at a standard, routinely stained tumor slide and instantly predict patient survival rates, genomic mutations, and drug responsiveness without needing expensive genetic sequencing. What does it mean when an algorithm sees patterns in your cells that human doctors cannot comprehend? Have you ever wondered if an algorithm could know you have cancer before a single tumor forms in your body? Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how you feel about AI making these critical medical predictions. To understand how AI is transforming your future diagnosis, you must look at the microscopic world inside your blood vessels. Long before a tumor reaches the size of a pencil eraser, it begins shedding subtle hints into your circulation. Cancer cells release mutated fragments of genetic material, known as circulating tumor DNA, along with tiny membrane-bound bubbles called extracellular vesicles. Historically, finding these markers was like searching for a specific grain of sand in a coastal hurricane. The noise of healthy, cellular debris completely overwhelmed the faint signal of early malignancy. This is where artificial intelligence redefines the physics of early detection. Instead of searching for a single broken gene or a lone tumor marker, AI algorithms process thousands of biological variables at once. In early 2026, researchers at MIT and Microsoft, led by Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, developed CleaveNet, an AI system that designs synthetic molecular sensors. These sensors consist of custom nanoparticles coated with AI-designed peptides that react specifically with proteases, enzymes that cancer cells use to chew through surrounding tissue. When these particles encounter even a microscopic cluster of cancer cells anywhere in your body, the proteases cleave the peptides, releasing a distinct chemical signal that can be detected in a simple urine test strip at home. Think about the profound shift occurring in that simple urine test. The diagnostic engine is no longer waiting for a mass to grow large enough to reflect an X-ray beam or absorb a dye. It is actively probing your biology using engineered nanotechnology guided by deep learning algorithms. The AI searches a combinatorial space of trillions of possible peptide sequences to find the exact chemical keys that unlock an unmistakable signal for early lung, ovarian, or pancreatic cancer. This brings us to a counterintuitive twist that is turning traditional oncology upside down. You might think that diagnosing cancer earlier always leads to better health. Yet, for decades, early detection faced a severe paradox known as overdiagnosis. Traditional screening tools often caught indolent, slow-growing tumors that would never have harmed a patient during their natural lifespan. This forced doctors to perform invasive biopsies, surgeries, and toxic chemotherapies on benign conditions simply because they lacked the tools to tell a harmless lesion from a lethal assassin. Artificial intelligence resolves this paradox by shifting diagnostics from static anatomy to dynamic predictive modeling. Modern AI foundation models do not merely tell a clinician that a lesion exists. By analyzing spatial transcriptomics, the precise mapping of which genes are active inside individual cells within a tissue architecture, AI determines the evolutionary trajectory of a tumor. The algorithm evaluates whether a microscopic cluster of abnormal cells possesses the metabolic machinery to invade blood vessels or metastasize to distant organs. It distinguishes between a sleeping giant and an active predator, preventing unnecessary treatments while pinpointing aggressive cancers at stage 0. How does this alter your personal relationship with a cancer diagnosis? What if receiving a positive cancer screening result in the future came with absolute certainty about whether it needed treatment or simple monitoring? Comment your thoughts below on how this shift might change the fear surrounding cancer screening. Consider what happens when AI integration expands beyond the clinic and into multi-omic profiling. In modern oncology, a single biopsy generates gigabytes of raw data, encompassing spatial pathology, whole genome sequencing, gut microbiome profiles, and real-time immune system metrics. A human physician, constrained by time and cognitive load, cannot synthesize these vast, disparate streams of information into a cohesive real-time picture. AI diagnostic engines, such as the Chief Model or Harvard's ProvGigaPath, integrate these multi-layered datasets in seconds. They cross-reference your specific biological profile against millions of patient records globally, matching your tumor's unique molecular fingerprint with high precision. In practice, this means the diagnostic process no longer stops at identifying the disease. The moment the AI identifies a malignancy, it predicts which specific therapeutic options will succeed and which will fail. If a specific mutation makes your tumor resistant to standard chemotherapy, the AI flags that pathway immediately. If your tumor displays specific surface markers, the algorithm guides the design of custom mRNA vaccines or targeted cell therapies designed specifically for your body's immune system. Diagnosis and treatment selection merge into a single, seamless computational step. Furthermore, artificial intelligence is democratizing high-level oncology worldwide. In under-resourced regions where specialized pathologists and expensive molecular labs are virtually non-existent, cloud-based AI diagnostic tools are changing outcomes. A community health worker in a remote area can capture an image of a standard tissue slide or skin lesion using a smartphone attached to a basic light microscope. Within seconds, a deep learning model running on a distant server analyzes the cellular architecture, providing an accurate diagnostic assessment that rivals the top cancer centers on Earth. The location of your home no longer dictates the quality of your diagnostic care. When you look back at that black and white scan on the monitor, realize that we are standing at the edge of a historic transition. We are moving away from an era where cancer diagnosis was a terrifying waiting game played with crude visual tools and painful physical biopsies. We are entering an era where silent, highly sophisticated algorithms work alongside human physicians to decode the hidden language of our cells. The future of cancer diagnostics is not about catching a disease after it has already transformed your life, but listening to the subtle molecular whispers that allow medicine to stop it before it ever starts. If you found this interesting or learned something new, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.